Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube mobile. It's quick, easy, and only takes a few steps. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into the account where the playlist was created. Now tap on the Library tab at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down a bit and you will see all your playlist under the playlist section. Find the playlist you want to delete and tap on it to open it. Once you're inside the playlist, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Just tap on it. From the menu that pops up, select Delete Playlist. A confirmation will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete it or not. Tap delete again and that's it, the playlist is gone. Keep in mind, deleting a playlist only removes it from your account. It doesn't delete the videos in it from YouTube or from your liked videos if you have liked them separately. And there you have it, a super simple way to clean up your playlists and keep your channel organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.